Today we will work out exercise 1.2. It is regarding the volume. Whenever you revise it plus zoom it, okay, it will give some more insight. It will be more attractive. The exercise 1.2 objective type questions. Fill the blank spaces by choosing the correct words from the list given below. Liter, centimeter cube, volume, mass, thousands. The space occupied by any material is called its volume. Okay. The volume of a liquid is generally expressed in liters. Okay. Natural gas or home cooking gas is generally sold by is here given mass. What is the unit of mass? General. What is the unit? Unit of mass. When you buy some potato, what unit we use? Kilogram. Gram is the unit of mass. So in natural gas or home cooking gas, LPG cylinder, we are using Indian gas cylinder. What is the weight of this cylinder? Probably 19.2 kg is written there. So that's why that is mass. Okay. They should have given kg also, but they have used mass. Okay. 1 milliliter of a liquid is equal to 1 dash by volume. 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. 1 milliliter is equal to the size of the dice, ladder and snakes game. Number 5. 1 dash liters of liquid is equal to 1 meter cube. 1000 liter. 1000. Okay, very simple. B. Write true or false for the following statements. The appropriate unit to express the volume of a swimming tank is liter. True. It's true. The volume of a small stone is expressed in centimeter cube. Okay, true. Cooking gas is sold by volume.
Centimeter cube.
The volume of a small stone is expressed in centimeter cube. You used 1 meter cube. 1 milliliter can be also used if you use this technique. Here, this technique. So here you can get milliliter. But 1 milliliter and 1 centimeter cube is same, is not it? 1 milliliter cube and 1 centimeter cube is same thing. So it's okay, true. 3. Cooking gas is sold by volume. False. Yes. It is sold by mass. The measuring flask is used to find the volume of liquids. True. The mathematical formula for volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. True. Statements given below are incorrect. Write the correct statements. SI unit of volume is liter. Is it true? Meter square. SI unit of volume is meter cube, not meter square. Cooking gas is sold by volume, sold by mass. Number 3. The volume of liquid is usually expressed in meter cube or centimeter cube. Liter or milliliter. Okay. A pipette can measure any small volume of a liquid. You can use burette. You can measure up to 1 milliliter accurately through burette. Okay. This is answer. Burette. Remember this, what is pipette, what is burette? Pipette has fixed amount, 25 ml. In your chemistry lab, you will get this pipette of fixed size, maybe some 50 ml also. Okay, If you graduated cylinder used to measure the volume of liquids. Okay. Take the most appropriate answer. The formula for calculating the volume of a cube is B L cube. The apparatus used to measure very accurately the volume of a liquid between 1 milliliter to 50 milliliter is, it will be bright again. It is more precise. Just you open the knob, open the screw, then it will drop very slowly, it will fall. So in that case, you can correctly measure here. Here liquids are generally sold by volume only, both mass and volume. None of this. But you have this 3 number B volume only. Okay. For measuring the volume of an irregular stone, we need only measuring cylinder and water, measuring cylinder, water and fine cotton thread, a pipette. C. For number answer C. Some mercury is contained in a test tube. The free surface of mercury is flat, convex, concave, wavy, convex. Okay. As the statements in column A with those in column B. A unit is used to express the volume of liquids is liter. A unit is used to sell oxygen gas to hospitals in 2 number C kilogram. Okay. The formula of a uniform wooden cylinder to find its volume, pi r square h, 3 number B. The formula of a sphere to find its volume is E 4 by 3 pi r cube. Is are provided with spout to find the volume of irregular solids. Overflows are. Okay. Next, the question. What do you understand by the term volume of a substance? So I'll next check this question. I'll check it later. I'll just check the numerical problems here. Number 3. The question is, you can measure the diameter of a sphere or a cylinder by using the wooden blocks and a 15 centimeter scale. Explain how can you measure the volume of a wooden cylinder and a tennis ball. It's very simple. Already it is given here. Okay. You just hold the tennis ball or a cylinder between these two wooden blocks. And now place the scale here. Then what you will find, if in case of tennis ball, what you will get here?
A sphere.
A sphere. If you put this ball between these two wooden blocks, then this will give the distance here to here. What happened?
The diameter.
Diameter. This wooden block, you will get diameter. If you know diameter, then you can calculate the radius and you can find the volume. Now in case of cylinder, what will you do? Suppose again this one is cylinder. This is a cylinder. Now what we need? We need first the radius. How can you find this radius? Just put here between these wooden blocks. Okay. Then what you will get? Diameter, because these two ends gives the diameter of this cylinder. So from here you can find out the radius. Now what will be the length?
You have to
just put here
flat on the table with the scale.
Now you can measure it very simply. Why the wooden blocks is here? To hold the cylinder or the tennis ball firmly. Firmly. That's why the wooden blocks is given there. So very simple. With a scale you can measure just regular volume of regular bodies. Is not it? So write it, okay? Write it in your own language. It's not very tough question. Question number 9. Numerical problems. It's very important. Express 500 centimeter cube of water, A milliliter, B liter, and C meter cube. First, we have to express in milliliter. 500 centimeter cube into 1 milliliter is equal to 500 milliliter. Question is okay, so answer is okay, but the writing style is not very perfect. Okay, we know that it's okay. 1 cm cube is equal to 1 ml. Therefore, 500 cm cube is equal to 500 ml. Understood? The answer should be in this way. Secondly, in liter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. So, what you have done? 500 divided by 1000 centimeter cube. What you have done? So, here you have to write in this way. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 500 centimeter cube. 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. Okay. So, 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 by 1000 liter, and therefore 500 centimeter cube is equal to 1 by 1000 into 500 is equal to 0.5 liter. It should be right in this way. Understand? Your calculation you are doing from right hand side. Always what is asked, keep in right hand side. What is given, keep in left hand side. We have given 500 centimeter cube. Okay, we have to find liter. So write the equation in that way. We have to find out liter. So a liter should be right in right hand side. Okay. So okay, next.
Even the last one I have done it like that.
Okay, do it correctly. Do it okay. So, which unit is more convenient? 500 centimeter cube, 500 milliliter, 0.5 L, or 0.0005 meter cube? Which unit do you like to use among these units?
Milliliter.
500 milliliter, yes, it is convenient. Question number 10. A book is 20.
Question number 10 is in that page.
Okay. A book is 25 centimeter long, 15 centimeter wide, and 2 centimeter height. What is the volume of the book? Okay, it's okay. The level of water in a measuring cylinder is at 12.5 milliliter. When a stone is lowered in it carefully, the new volume recorded 21 milliliter. What is the volume of the stone? .5 milliliter. Okay. A cylindrical glass is 15 centimeter long. Its diameter is 7 centimeter. What volume of milk can be poured in it without spilling? We know that volume of cylinder. What is this?
Pi is 22.
No, either you have to write this or this. Either one or this. You have to put the value directly, or you have to write this. Okay? Okay. Then what is the capacity of this cylindrical glass? What is capacity? The maximum liquid that can hold by that vessel is called the capacity of that vessel. So what will be the capacity of this vessel, of this glass? Maximum without spilling. How much liquid can be stored here? Can be poured? 577.7. So this is the capacity. This is the capacity. More than this, if you pour more than this, it will spill out. Is not it? Understand? Okay. So if what is the, it can also be asked that what is the capacity of the glass, cylindrical glass. Don't be confused. Okay. Okay. Capacity means maximum volume it can hold. Same answer is same, but the style of asking the question is slightly different. Okay. Okay. Capacity, remember. Number 13.
This one's not done.
A tennis ball of.
This one is not done.
Okay, let's check it. A tennis ball is of diameter 7 centimeter. What is the volume in centimeter cube and meter cube? It's very simple. The radius is 3.5 centimeter. The volume of sphere is this. Radius is 3.5 centimeter. What you have done here? 4 by 3 pi or radius cube. 4 by 3 pi, radius is 3.5. What is this? Cube. Then 88, 21, 10.5. Where from? We have got this 10.5.
3.5 into 3.
Why? 3.5 cube. 3.5 cube means 3.5 into 3.5 into 3.5. So we have made this mistake here. So they want the answer in centimeter cube and meter cube. First, just put 3.5 centimeter and multiply all these units. Okay, 3.5, 3.5, 3.5 and put here. You will get the answer in centimeter cube because 3.5 is in centimeter. Now they are asking in meter also. What will you do in meter? B. 100 cm is equal to 1 meter. So 7 cm is equal to how much? 1 by 100 into 7 is equal to 0.07 meter. Now put here 4 by 3 pi r cube. R means here 0.07 meter cube. Okay. Meter cube, I have this written meter cube. So this will come in result in meter cube. Understood? Why meter cube is here and why here centimeter cube is there. So cube means 3 centimeter will multiply here meter, 3 meter will be multiplied. Just do it and check the answer. Answer is also given here. Okay, next class will measurement of density and speed. We have now entered in the realm of physics. It's very important. What is density? What is speed? So I'll again try to teach you line by line. Okay, just zoom in to have an interactive sessions. Okay, thank you for today.